You ever read something and just feel old? Like really old? Oh my god. Alright. Here's the most cringe tutorial possible. How to feel old in airsoft. Okay. So first you have to die at the hands of the tiniest little kid at the field. Like, look at how short this kid is. He's tiny.
Hey, Bowser.
Hey, what's up?
Out.
He got me. So, step 2, you hit him back.
Ow!
You alright?
You a-hole!
I'm talking a full-on Nerf rocket to the chest.
Nerfer!
Be a complete a-hole.
You a-hole!
And then you put the video up on YouTube. And you wait. And then he finally comments. Hey Bowser, it's me, the Jugger-NOT. All these years later, I still remember this. Hope you're well. I just turned 20. Ha ha ha. Damn, time is flying. Thanks for making me feel like I fit in at VIP even when I was 11. He's 20. That tiny kid is 20. 9 years? 9. Because he was 11. How long have I been doing this? Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm so old. I am so old. I am old. What do I do? I'm old. I'm old. That is... I'm old! Oh god. Well, there you have it, people. You want to feel old? Just read through the comments on some of your old ass YouTube videos. If you want to make somebody feel old, post comments on their old ass YouTube videos. That'll do it. It's so dumb. Alright. Oh, so you made it to the end of the video, which impressive. Go ahead and hit the like button. If you hate yourself, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you hate your friends, hit the share. Also, I've got a link in the description where you can get all sorts of cool airsoft stuff you can shoot them with. Other than that, I suggest you call yourself out. See ya.